Hello everyone and welcome to my brand new listing in the village of Brookville. This home is situated on 2 acres within the Jericho School District. And if you want to talk about convenience, you're right off 107, but you have your beautiful gated entry. This home was treated to a state-of-the-art renovation just a few years ago, all custom from the roof to the basement. You're going to be amazed at all of the interior finishes. Let's go inside and let me show you what a true state-of-the-art renovation looks like. Nothing is more elegant and timeless than a beautiful brick home. This home is wrapped entirely in brick with Anderson windows, over 6,000 square feet of living space, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and this beautiful iron door, bluestone entry, and just about every possible amenity that you could wish for, including a heated gun-eye pool with cabana, retractable cover, and so much more. From the moment you walk through these heavy iron doors, you're greeted by modern elegance everywhere you look. I love how these stairs are off to the side. You have this beautiful 2-story entry foyer and our basement right down the steps this way. This basement's gonna blow you away, but we're gonna get there last. As we make our way through this foyer and across this main hallway of the house, you'll notice the high ceilings and abundant living spaces. This is a very flexible layout, so depending on your lifestyle, you'll be able to furnish these rooms. How these people currently have it situated is this is the great room with the piano, this 2-sided leather slab wrapped custom built fireplace separates the family room and the kitchen from the great room in the office. This kind of modern open living is what everybody wants. Do you work from home? Do you need a place that's central to the house but also quiet enough where you can get some work done? We've got this really nice study right here with lots of natural light. All of the shades that you see in these rooms are remote controlled. They're custom Lutron shades. And this room's got its closet, so if you needed a big guest bedroom on the first floor, we already have 2 more on this level, but this is a very flexible room currently being used as an office and a study. Now through this hallway, it's a full bath. And even this bathroom right here, the guest bath, it's got a curbless shower, beautiful tile, floating vanity. And this really nice bathroom services these guest quarters right here. And you'll notice that we have these keypads all around the house. With just the push of a button, your shades come up. You'll notice there's hi-hats in every single bedroom. And now, as we make our way back out of this hallway, we've got more storage, 2 more closets, and let me take you to the main living space of this house. As we swing our way back past the foyer, you'll notice more of these keypads. All the receptacles are wrapped in the same way. And this is where I get to that point where I was saying about being a very flexible layout. As you remember, we have our great room right there. We have our family room right here. But then we have this bonus room right now that's being used as a playroom for the kids. We have this full service bar or coffee bar with a slop sink, ice maker, wine fridge, and this really nice coffee machine. So you've got room for just about everything right here, even some custom built cabinetry going to the ceiling. We've got another staircase going down to the basement here, very unique. This house has 2 staircases going down to the basement and 2 staircases going up. And let's get to this showstopper of a kitchen. As soon as we make our way into this kitchen, you know that this is not your typical set of white kitchen cabinets. This is all modern, fully custom, and just the niftiest storage solutions you've ever seen. We've got Sub-Zero fridge, Wolf appliances, and everywhere you look, there's storage. I really like these countertops, radiant heating on the floors, and you've got doors to the backyard. Lots of ways to get in and out of your entertaining spaces outside. And right back through this hallway, we've got another bedroom, a service staircase going upstairs, another bedroom, a mudroom, another set of closets. And check out this bathroom. Radiant heating, floating vanity, Toto toilet, and a really nice custom walk-in shower. When you move into a new home, there's so many little things that you don't pick up on that you have to do after you move in, especially in new construction. In this home, all those amenities have been thought of already. Even this nifty garage with these nice custom cabinets. We've got these German-made super quiet motors and parking for 3 cars, including this really nice looking one right here. The modern finishes and amazing details continue all throughout this second floor with 4 bedrooms and 3 additional baths. There's no way that I'm gonna make you wait any longer to come check out this primary suite. So follow me this way, prepare to be amazed. And this primary suite just keeps on going. This sitting area with fireplace, speakers, and a separate walk-in closet is part of that primary suite. And we didn't want a TV taking up space in this room. That's what the owner tells me. So there's a full drop-down TV that comes down from the ceiling and can be retracted when you're not using it. I mean, come on. Is there anything this house doesn't have? And wait till we see the backyard. As we come out of the primary suite, we've got this service staircase that goes right out to the garage, a laundry, a bedroom with a nice sized closet, another linen closet right here, and 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath, another closet right here. And just check out these room sizes. Look at this, all these trim details, hi-hats everywhere. We've got this Jack and Jill bath with custom tiled shower, total toilet, floating vanities, radiant heating, of course, like all the other bathrooms. And another nice sized room right here. This basement is everything you would ever want in your own home. We've got this fully equipped gym, movie theater, utility space, closet, full bath, and even an additional bedroom. Let's take a moment to talk about mechanicals, because this is some of the most expensive maintenance items in the long run and really the heartbeat of your home. Let's talk about the radiant heating for a second. We've got radiant heating, about 15 zones all throughout the house. We've got a Will McLean Gold Series boiler, 2 oil tanks, 2 indirect storage tanks, and all of the AC equipment was just replaced with top-of-the-line Bosch high-efficiency units. We've also got the propane tank outside servicing the pool, the gas cooking, and the fireplaces. Behind me is the gym, storage, and mechanicals. Right here is a full bath, and wait till you see this movie theater. Follow me in, where we've got a full kitchenette, sink, refrigerator, microwave, and every gadget you can imagine, all built into the wall, stone veneer everywhere, seating for 8, and this massive projector screen. To round out the basement, we've got another TV area with custom built cabinet for your video game consoles, speakers everywhere, hi-hats everywhere, another room that could be used as an office, and another walk-in closet. Everywhere you look, this property is beautifully landscaped. I really like this touch of the stone treads as you come up to the pool area. It's really nicely landscaped, all these mature plantings, which would take years to achieve if you were to start today. And now we get to the best part. This gorgeous gunite pool with electric retractable cover, heater, hot tub, and a pool house with a full bath and changing area, as well as a sink, a fridge, an outdoor TV, and a lounging area for you and your entire family all summer long. As I mentioned earlier in this video, there's so many little things that you would have to do to achieve this level of automation, this level of tech savvy, even if you bought a new construction in 2023. Control 4 home automation lets the party continue outside and inside. You can control lighting, TV, and music. We've got your automatic pool controls. We've got the cover for the retractable pool cover, and all throughout the house, if you notice, we have these really cool dimmers all throughout. So we made sure to bring that quality and bring that theme outside to this pool house, and this bathroom is no exception. It's absolutely stunning combination of glass tile, stone mosaic, and just everything you would want in a pool house and everything you would want in your outdoor living space. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you're watching this video, then most likely this home is still available. If you want to reach out to me, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle on Instagram, or you can subscribe to this channel, you can comment on this video, or you can shoot me a message, 516-467-6445. This is our brand new listing in Brookville, Jericho schools, with every amenity you can possibly imagine. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.